Good morning, class. Let's talk about paver overlay on a concrete patio. So one of the things that's very, very important to recognize is when you add your pavers, what will the height of these pavers be? And in a case like this, when we put this here, I have in my estimate that this will trap water and that we're not held liable for it. But you have to look at what height will this be? Will the door open and is it going to trap water in here? Now, if they want a paver overlay or they want a paver patio, but they have concrete and you're going to trap water or the door can't open, sometimes you have to break up the concrete. When you do your estimate, it is very, very important to define how thick that concrete is going to be. And in other words, you're breaking it up into a pile like that. And does it have rebar in it? If this concrete has rebar in it, the job suddenly becomes very, very much more difficult. So we always, when we do an estimate for breaking concrete, we say for 4-inch thick concrete that does not have rebar or concrete wire in it, because otherwise, a job that we might have thought would take 2 to 3 hours might take a whole day or longer and require a lot of cutting and other things. So, but you don't know about that until you start breaking up the concrete. So these are just some important points to take into account. This is rebar, by the way. It makes concrete stronger. This is important things to take into account when building that estimate.